Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to show you how my garden is doing in the beginning of August. We are in the middle of summer and the weather is going good. We had quite dry spring and summer this year. The weather has been quite warm and dry, and earlier the garden liked it, but now it's looking a bit tiring. We did have rain here and there, but that's not quite as much as we usually get here in UK. So some things are still doing really good. You can see my containers, they are looking so beautiful, with so many colors and textures. I really love the look of these containers this year, so I'm going for the same kind of theme every year. Now from experience I have learned which plants really do well in kind of unpredictable weather conditions in UK. Petunias do like to flourish when it's hot, but overall they don't look as good. So you can see petunias and the other ones, I can't remember the name, the smaller ones, they are starting to look tiring now because the weather cooled down over last couple of weeks. Although it's going to be getting hot again, maybe next week, but not. So when weather is not as hot, the petunias, verbena and these kind of plants which love heat and sun, they start looking not as good. Well, geraniums, they do really well all summer long, so they keep producing, and as long as you can keep deadhead them, but I don't really do much deadheading and they still keep doing good. Begonias do really well, I have learned. So these begonias, I'm going to go for them every year. Fuchsias sometimes do good, sometimes don't. So it really depends how they work and what kind of arrangement they are in. So overall, my go-to plants are these geraniums, begonias, and yeah. So this impentians, they do sometimes good, sometimes not. Also like fuchsias and lobelias, they work really well. They are really beautiful. So these are my go-to plants for every year. And then I can keep working on others too, but I'm quite happy with how my containers are looking this year. So with centerpiece being evergreen, and creeping vines, you can see ivy and borage here. So with some summer bedding, summer annuals, they do really well. In spring I had daffodils and tulips and alliums, and in summer I shuffle down with these plants, and in autumn I can get some autumn blooming annuals. So here's my archway, always looking beautiful. Grapevines are doing really well, and we have got some bunches of grapes. Let's see if they ripe or not, but overall the arch is looking beautiful, getting filled up. Jasmine vine is doing really well, it's blooming. And on each side I have got hydrangeas. That hydrangea is doing much better than this one. And I have got asters, they are coming into bloom. Hukras, they look really beautiful. And some other plants, which are some evergreens and some are perennials. So lots of things going on here. Strawberries, these are June bearing, so they produced really well this year in June. Now they are done and started producing runners. I planted snapdragon, just sowed the seeds, and they have come up nice. So they kind of perennial for us, so hopefully they will come back next year as well. These foxgloves are self-sown, and alyssum, these pensies, all these things are self-sown. I did sow some seeds here which did not come out, but you can see it's still filled up with self-sown seeds. Nice when you don't have to do work some for some plants. And my trees, they are doing really well. Lilac here, Asclonia there, Amelanchia, apple trees. They provide really good privacy, and this corner gives the look of a forest, which I really like. Here is my plum tree, and we have got just few plums which are not ripe yet, so I'm just waiting for them to ripe here. So yeah, so we have got some plums, soon they will ripe. Still a young tree, 3-4 years old, so of course it will take some time. And loads of perennials here. You can see some are starting to bloom and some are going out of bloom. So echinacea are the showstopper at the moment, doing really well. And this verbena, this is also coming. So last year I thought I'll have lost it because it did not do anything last year, but this year it just came up on its own. So things sometimes, you know, surprised you. However, my lupins, they did not, that one did not come up this year, and this one bloomed earlier and now it's done. Hukras are not as strong this year as it was last year, and this hydrangea is not doing as well. So you can see these plants need watering. It has been raining, but it has been really windy as well and not enough rain, so the plants are looking a really bit tired. So I do need to water them, but it may rain today, so I'm just waiting. So rhododendron is looking tiring as well. This Arisimum does really well, so I have given it a good haircut. Let's see how it does. And these pincushion flowers are going out of bloom as well. So overall the garden is doing well. There are lots going on, and I really love this space now. It feels, my kind of space. Oh, this kiwi vine, it needs watering, so I think I should get some watering done today because the plants are starting to suffer a little bit. Let's take you to the front yard and show you what's going on. So this is my front yard come driveway, and we have got a patch here where this bay laurel and these conifers were already here. Everything else I planted myself, and they are doing well. So lavenders were done, I pruned them, and sedum is coming into bloom now. Roses are done, peonies are done, cherry is not doing as well. This rudbeckia keeps suffering due to lack of water. I have taken some out, some baby rudbeckia plants out, and shifted them in the backyard. These things, they are spring blooming. They are done for now, Abracia, so they will come back in spring. Things are not looking as good here, but it is filling up really well, and they are mostly spring and summer interest, so they are done for now. But here I have got some containers which are still doing really well, same like the containers in the backyard. Begonias and geraniums, they do really well. Same here, this angel wing is really doing well. Phlox, second flush of bloom, going really well. Hebe looking good, and these containers and these things are doing really well. Yeah, and in the side street I have got hydrangea again doing well. This yarrow suffered a lot this year due to heat because it likes shade, and now the weather has cooled, so it's coming up now and starting to bloom. Another rose vine here, and you can see the other things are doing okay too. So some plants bloom in summer and some in spring and some in autumn, so not everything will be blooming at the same time. Overall the plants are looking good. Some are tired due to lack of water, and some are just done for the season. Overall the things are doing really well. So this yarrow is all self-sown. I can try shifting some in the backyard because our backyard is quite shady. So overall I'm happy with how it's going. I just need to, I think, keep up with the water, and that's all basically. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of my garden, and keep watching this space for more updates. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.